Hello everyone. I'm getting ready to install the West African spear display unit. This is the back end, the back side at the bottom. The base has been assembled to the back panel, and I took advantage of the 3/4 inch space behind the panel, and I coped the base molding that I have in this hallway into the back of this base, so the rest of the unit will fit tight up against the wall. So right up in here I have the block with the miter. This is going to be a hanging cleat, and there'll be a corresponding cleat screwed to the wall. You'll see me do that. And then you have gussets in here all throughout to reinforce the side molding. And then further up you have the backs of the spear holders, and they're reinforced by a block on each side of the spear holder to keep it from twisting, and they're in there pretty snugly. I hammered them in. I'm not even going to fasten them. They're in there pretty good. So you got a couple more gussets up in here, and then you have the headpiece screwed all along the bottom and then across the top, and you have the bottom of the hanging cleat up here, and there'll be a corresponding piece on the wall. So let me set up the camera again and we'll start the installation. So I have a laser line on the wall. It's the center between the corner and the side of this door casing. And I calculated the elevation for the bottom of the block, which will be the hanging cleat. I have a center line drawn on the hanging cleat, and I have a center line drawn for the stud. So let me go ahead and put that in, and that'll be the first one. So I'm on the center line, and I just need to make sure this is level. I'm still on the center line. Okay, I have one down at the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing. Alright, the blocks are set up. Let's give this a shot. If I have to, I'll adjust the blocks. That's what the cope looks like at the base molding. You got the corner of the base. You got all the veneer work. You got the side molding that I made. You got the little brass fittings that I fabricated. The rest of the molding, all cut by hand. The spears, the spear holders, and then you got the blades, and you got the headpiece with the veneer work, and it's sitting pretty close to the wall. Nice fit up in here. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's going to grow on me. This is brand new. There was something here for 17 years. I moved it, and this will be here now. So I think my Uncle Jim would be happy as well. So let me just give my closing thoughts. First of all, I want to thank all my YouTube subscribers and the rest of my audience, the people that watch my videos. Thank you for following along with this project. I know it was a long one. I'm a slow worker. I work sometimes with both hands tied behind my back. But I try and get things done and push forward within the boundaries of my limitations. So I appreciate your thoughtfulness, your patience with me, watching the videos, liking, subscribing, disliking, commenting, participating. Of course, I'm on Locals now. I'm on Rumble. You can watch my videos there. You can join my Rumble community. You can sign up on Rumble. It's the Rough Cut community. And also you can join the Locals community through the Rumble channel. So there's always more to come. Stay strong, everybody. Thank you.